Rhythm breeze, a gentle sway, the golden light at end of day. The sand is warm beneath our feet as ocean waves in rhythm beat. The sun descends, a fiery glow, painting skies with hues that flow. Palm trees whisper songs of Eve in paradise. We're set to please. Feel the sun, let worries fade. In this moment, we have it made. On the shore, just you and me, living life so wild and free. Cool drinks in hand, a soft embrace, lazy hours in this tranquil place. Laughter mingles with the tide, savoring closeness side by side. Time stands still in this embrace. No rush, no race, just a gentle pace. Peace surrounds like oceans hum. In this bliss, we've just begun. The stars appear, the night begins. We toast to love and all that wins. Under moonlight, soft and bright, our paradise through day and night. In the stillness of the night, my dear, whispered secrets only hearts can hear. Beneath the moon's soft silver light, two souls unite in the hush of night. Your touch, as gentle as a summer breeze, melts away the world's unease. In this quiet moment, skin to skin, we find the strength to let love in. So let the midnight silence sing our tender hearts in a gentle swing. In vulnerability we find our grace, holding on in this sacred space. You take a sigh so sweet, the rhythm of our love complete. And in this fragile, fleeting time we share, all that matters is we're both here. Let the world fade to a distant blur.